Hello everyone, welcome to IAS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Uday joins hand with Google for displaying authorized Aadhaar centers on Google Maps. The Uday and Google have joined hands to enable the display of authorized Aadhaar centers in Google Maps, a move that will enhance ease of access and convenience for residents across the country. The initiative will help residents identify Aadhaar centers based on the nature of services offered like adult enrollment, child enrollment, or only address and mobile update. In addition, information related to center accessibility, including features such as Divyang, friendly infrastructure and availability of parking facilities, operating hours, will also be displayed wherever applicable, further enhancing convenience for residents. The facility is expected to be available in the coming months. The collaboration is designed to enhance public convenience, combat misinformation, and ensure residents have seamless access to over 60,000 Aadhaar centers, including state of the art Aadhaar Seva Kendras nationwide. This will ensure that when users search on Google Maps, they are directed to verified Aadhaar centers. Uday is always focused on improving ease of living for Aadhaar number holders. This collaboration will ensure that navigating the authorized Aadhaar centers is now simpler, faster, and more transparent, said Shri Bhuvnesh Kumar, CEO Uday. In the subsequent phase of the collaboration, Uday will use Google Business Profile to manage center information and respond directly to people's feedback, ensuring a transparent and responsive service ecosystem. Looking ahead, the partnership will explore direct appointment booking through the Google Maps interface, allowing residents to plan their visits with even greater efficiency. By joining hands with Uday to integrate verified Aadhaar centers, we are making it easier for millions of residents to find trusted services with confidence and bridging the gap between essential government infrastructure and the people who need it most, said Ms. Roli Agarwal, country head strategic partnership of Google India. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a very nice day.